What a miserable day today. We're away to get my front tyre changed, as you'll see. She's a tad bald, not much on her at all. Hopefully you can see that. So yeah, definitely in time for a change. So we're to get it done today. So I'm hoping to take it a wee bit more gentle than normal. Front tyre really does not have much grip on it at all. So yeah, need to get it replaced. That's what we're going today. Normally I choose a nicer day than this to go and do this stuff, but what else has been happening in my life? Well, not a huge amount, guys, I'll be honest. Tonight I have Maximus and his good lady coming over for a nice meal, quite a few beverages, and much hilarity, I'm sure. We dip in the hot tub. Can't wait, be absolutely great. It's been too long since I had a decent catch up. Now that I work elsewhere, it's harder to get a coffee at work and things together. So yeah, that'll be really good. Can't wait for that. What I wanted to do, guys, when I found out my tyre was getting a bit low on tread, I wanted to take the tyre or the wheel alone into the shop, get a new tyre put on it. Managed to secure some paddock stands. I say secure, the front one is a real pain in the ass. You know, I don't have bobbins or anything, so trying to balance the front forks on the paddock stand, it just wasn't secure enough for my liking. So we mangled through and, you know, tried our best, but the spindle or the axle appears to have a bit over tightened, if there's such a thing. So I couldn't undo it. So it basically made up my mind I had to take it to the shop to get done. So that's where we're going today. Now the advantage of me getting the axle stands or the paddock stands is it means I can do a bit of service on myself, save a couple of pennies there, which is always important. Hopefully do the oil and filter, you know, reprime the Scott-Oiler from winter to summer sort of lubrication, and basically check over the brakes and general running of the machine. That's a plan anyway. Cold weather, the rain, and getting hit by 2 waves of freezing cold water off those 2 trucks. I am seriously in a piss. Oh, and having your legs round a really cold tank is not great for a guy. Not fucking great at all. So, if I'm honest, I'm expecting a bit of tailing off when I put this bike in. Just the state of the tyre is so low on tread. It's not even funny. I shouldn't laugh at it, guys. The 1mm tread is there to keep us safe, and mine's probably sitting 1 if we're lucky, 8.9. You know, that could be the difference between having grip and not having grip. Update time. I was trying to think where do I start. Right. Well, we now have tread on my front tyre, which is good. Now, as predicted, I knew I was going to get a bit of tailing off. However, I didn't expect a tailing off because my tyre was punctured. I had a slow puncture. So by the time I actually got to the garage, yeah, she was flat. And the guy started querying if I'd actually managed to ride the bike there. So that's not good and good at the same time. Not good that it was flat as a fucking pancake, but good that it's now sorted. I thought I'd be able to change the tyre I was fitting. Current tyre is 120/60 R17. I thought, well, we'll go a little bit bigger, I might get a bit more life out of her, so I'll go for 120/70 R17. Now, that would all work out fine, except the ZX6R's mudguard dips down at the back, which means there's no room for that extra bit of tyre. Allegedly, I don't know much about it, but that's what I've been told. So I couldn't go for that, which then meant they didn't have the tyre I wanted in stock, so I had to go for my second choice tyre, which is still good. It's a Metzler. I was going to go for the Michelin's. Same price, but you know, I never like going for second choice stuff. But hey ho, that's what we've got. We've got grip. Woohoo! I bet anyway. So yeah. He also says my fork seals are going and my head steering or steering head or some shit, I don't know. I stopped listening after a while, to be really honest with you, which is ignorant, arrogant, call it what you like. But hey, you know, something you can fix later on. Put it in our garage, see what they say. On the upside, he did say I've got plenty of wear on my brakes right now, so we can still stop. So we can steer, and we can stop. We had a wee nitpick about the old Scott Euler saying it was shit, but you know what, I like Scott Euler, that's his opinion, go fuck himself, you know what I mean? It's my bike,